Bored, bored, bored. No Iggy to play with, nothing good to eat. I have had enough.
Ah! Heathcliff! Are you messing with those mice again? Stop it!
Poor Heathcliff. With Iggy away at Aunt Irma's, he's got nobody to play with. He's getting cabin fever.
No, Grandma, I am getting cabin fever. And if I come down with a bad case of cabin fever, it's all his fault.
Well, you know what you need to do, Grandpa. You need to get out.
Out? In this?
Besides, there's something we need from the store.
Eh?
Cat food. We're out of cat food. If he had a big meal, then maybe he would settle down.
I'll make sure he settles down. Ah!
He's on a rampage tonight. This could go on for hours.
Heathcliff!
Get him some food, quick.
I can't take any more of this.
I know, dear.
And I've got to walk, too. Impossible to drive a car in this snow.
I know, dear.
Drat, I just ruined my hat.
Well, as long as you're in the store anyway, dear, get yourself a new hat.
Well, if he's not happy after this, I'll throw him outside in the cold.
Yes, dear.
Throw him out in the cold, huh? It's a winter wonderland out there. And you get to play in it. Yes, folks, we've just created a new winter sport.
Winter sport, huh? We'll see who's a sport.
Well, this is only the beginning, folks, for the fabulous new winter game, Rat Race.
Heathcliff, shut that window. Now you behave yourself, Heathcliff.
Brave, hardy, mousy mountaineers. Will they survive the hazards of avalanche?
Revenge! Let's see. The snowman. I got it.
Heathcliff, I feel a draft again. Now close that window.
Sorry, you guys, but Grandma said.
Wait! Look who we found.
Huh?
Yippee! I got her.
Some kind of mouse trick, no doubt.
Oh, Heathcliff, help me. Better check it out, Mr. Hero Cat.
Oh, Sonia? Whatever it is, that mouse is getting on my nerves.
Stop these awful mice, Heathcliff. Help me, please.
I'm gonna put a stop to this. Sonia!
about this window. Naughty boy, where are you? Ashamed, are you? Hiding from me? Well, this is the last time.
Abominable snow mice.
Now maybe I can relax.
Open up. Let me in.
Party time! What's this? A popcorn blizzard.
Let me in. It's cold out here.
Look, he's getting hot under the collar.
Open up this window.
Sorry, Guy. Remember what Grandma said.
What are you laughing at? That's more like it, chum. You let me in now.
Marcia, what's that terrible noise?
It's only the wind, John. I tell you, you're hearing things again.
Look at that form. Poetry in motion. Perfection on ice. Whoa, whoa. Hot chocolate? Don't mind if I do. Marshmallow? Cheese. Mmm, delicious. So warm and cozy here. To the sweet life. Let's watch the news.
Citizens are warned to be on the alert. At this moment, police are in pursuit of the infamous ski mask fugitive. This man is desperate. Consider him dangerous. The ski mask fugitive is expected to break into unsuspecting homes, seeking shelter from the blizzard and the police.
He is desperate. He is dangerous. Just wait until I... What? Huh? That's the guy on TV. Trying to break in, huh? Well, if I can't get in, then he can't get in. So you called that a disguise, huh? I'll give you a disguise.
Heathcliff! Grandpa!
Cat food. All that for cat food.
Poor dear. Heathcliff didn't know it was you.
Close that front door, Grandma. I'm cold. And lock it, too. I heard the police are chasing a fugitive.
Let me in, lady. The cops are after me. Hurry, lady. Out of my way.
Oh, dear me.
Ow, my leg. What? My foot. Yow!
It's him, all right. You're under arrest.
Yes, please take me. Get me out of here.
Well, I guess our Heathcliff is a pretty good cat to have around after all.
You're awfully good to brave this storm and go buy cat food.
Well, he got what he wanted. I guess we won't have to worry about him for a while.
Wanna bet?
Ah!
Ah!